Greetings again, folks. It's early morning and we are rolling out of the NRMA holiday park. Once we are out, we turn onto Victoria Street heading towards the center of town. We're aiming for a free car park on Flinders Parade, which is named after Matthew Flinders, who sailed past here in 1802. Back then he didn't have to worry about finding a parking spot for a four-wheel drive, but today it's the ultimate victory if you can find one close to the causeway. Now once the car is parked, legs are stretched. Our mission today is a two-stager. First we're walking out across the causeway. It's about 630 meters of timber and ocean breeze. It's the perfect way to burn off whatever you ate for breakfast while watching the fish swim through the pylons below, or beating off the seagulls looking for French fries. Once we hit Granite Island, we're in a geologist's playground. These massive orange-tinted boulders are over 480 million years old. We're going to explore the trails, look for the little penguins, who are usually tucked away for a nap during the day, so we might not see anyone, and at least soak in the views of the Southern Ocean. It's rugged, it's probably going to be windy, and we'll probably feel like we're at the edge of the world. After we've done the hard yards on foot, we're taking the VIP route back. We're hopping on the horse-drawn tram. This is one of the last remaining services of its kind in the world. It's actually been running since 1894, and honestly the Clydesdale that pull it are the biggest celebrities in town. There's something incredibly relaxing about the plop plop of the hooves as you glide over the water. It's a 100% pure 19th century horsepower. So we walk out for fitness and take the tram back for memories and a bit of a smell of horse poo. But let's head out to the island in the next video.